What's going on? Not bad, not bad. Ooh, a TRX. Holy. Hey, it's me. Hey, Simon, get. All right, let's try this out. Woo! That's really good. Spring is in the air, everybody. Spring is in the air. Oh, look, Chrysler 300. Spring is in the air. Testing low light. Testing low light, baby. All right. Good, huh? Damn, that sounds great. It sounds freaking phenomenal, to be honest with you. I don't care what anyone fucking says. Woohoo! That's awesome. Taper down. Alright. That was awesome, guys. In sport mode, gonna be a little bit of a pep. Very nice. So, what do you guys think? Good nighttime stuff? I know the audio is probably pretty good, but you know. So, while we're cruising, Hope you guys can hear me. I think you guys can hear me. This is a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT 2019. It has a 392 Hemi in it. The only thing that's got done to it is a Corsa Extreme exhaust. Now it's pretty quiet in here, right? And that's why I got the Corsa exhaust, because at different tones, especially when cruising, there's a very minimal drone. Take a listen. It's pretty quiet considering it's a Corsa Extreme, but when you get on it, especially hearing it from the outside, it's pretty loud, supposedly. Pretty loud. Now, this baby's got a Corsa Extreme, a Hemi Fever custom tune loaded by a Diablo Sport. So we got unlocked computers. I think a 89 millimeter throttle body, a bigger throttle body. How about that? You get to Moe's. It's got a cold air intake, capped with Avery. Right. And that's pretty much about it. You see my gas mileage. It's not bad. And look at the kilometers on that thing. This baby is kind of not worthless because they stopped making it. So it does kind of hold its value. Like, how much does like WK1s go for? SRT8 WK1 over 20 grand, I think. But that WK1 has the 6.1 liter in it, and I do like the 6.1. It's a good engine. All right. 8% battery life. Hey, Simon. Oh, it's because I have a camera on my head. Holy. Hey, it's me. Hey, Simon. Get. Jeez. Oh. Oh, yeah. We need a cigarette, eh, in this one? Look at
Yeah, that's just a cigarette mobile.
Yeah.
Fleck them on the ground, the dash, wherever.
Oh, cheers, boys.
Cheers.
That's funny.